Want a blank invisible name on Discord? It's very simple. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in under a minute. First, open Discord and head to your user settings by clicking the gear icon near your username. Now, under My Account, click Edit next to your display name. Next, delete your current display name and paste the invisible character from the description of this video. Make sure to remove the quotation marks if any appear after you paste it. Click Save Changes, and that's it. Your name is now blank, perfect for a stealthy look in servers or DMs. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Discord tips and tech tutorials.